Hey guys, today we're just going to walk over the 415 chain tool. This tool replaces your master links. We try to eliminate master links and chains just because the master link is going to be your weak point. So here's a section of chain. I'm just going to show you how we're going to use this chain tool. So that's the video we're going to do real quick. By the way, I'm Steve from Blossom Racing. So let's get right into this. So I got my chain tool. These chain tools can be purchased. They're about 44 bucks for them. Once you have one, they pretty much last forever. There's not very many moving parts to them. So just looking at the chain tool, you'll see a slot right here. That slot is where the pin is going to go for the chain when you're pushing it back together. This pin that I just removed, just a screw with a little indent in the bottom of it, that's where the pin is going to touch. So that pin goes right in. You screw that into the one with the slot. The other one, there's two holes. You can run it in either hole. I always put it way over to the end, and that is your push pin, which looks like that. So I'm going to screw them both in, and the push pin, I'm just going to screw it just so the pin's right flush with the bottom there. You can see kind of right here where the chain's going to go in this tool. So here's the piece of chain. Both ends are the same right now, so I got to make one with a pin so I can hook them together. So all I'm going to do is just come in here with my tool, and I want to put it on the push pin part. So I push it in there, it's down in the tool, and here's the push pin, and it's going to push that pin right out. So real quick, just grab a T-handle, anything you want, an Allen, and grab a hold of it and just screw it all the way out. Take it down until it bottoms out. You can see the screws all bottomed out, and now I'm just going to back it all the way back out so I can pull the chain out. And you can see right there the pin is pushed. So usually if you have longer chain, you'll just grab right here and just kind of bend it like you're going to break it. But because I don't have any leverage, I'm going to have to grab a tool right here, and I'm just going to grab it and then twist it, and it just pops it right out just like that. So what I have left is the end with the push pin just like that, and then the other end does not have any push pin. So now what we're going to do, take your tool, and right here's your push pin. That tool goes just like that. That push pin's going to go right in that slot right there. Then all you do is you grab the other end, set it right down in there, and push it right down in so that both ends join together. And you're just going to put your finger there and kind of hold it so that it doesn't go anywhere. And then just tighten this one down. If it's really hard to do when you're turning this, like it's super hard, it might be that the pin's not lined up and pushing in. It might be pressing up against something. So just, push this around and just verify that it's in the hole. So push it down and just sit there and watch the pin. The other side's getting a little hard. It doesn't want to go through, but there it just popped through. And just like that, take it down till it gets tight. You don't want to go super tight with this, but just take it down till it stops turning. That snugs her up. Back her back out. Pull your chain out, and there it is right there. You can see the joint right there. That's where the pin, make sure that the pin still works. Sometimes they get a little tight when you push them in. So if you take like a little flathead screwdriver and just pop it right there just a little bit. See if you can see that. Just hit it there a little bit, and all you're going to do is try and pry the gold pieces out and away a little bit, because there's a lot of friction there right now. So if you can see this, I'm just going to lay it down. Take my little screwdriver, put it in between the gold and the silver link, right on the one that I just pushed the pin in. I'm going to tap that down in there a little bit just to get it to spread a little bit. Same thing with the other side. Usually doesn't take much. You just want to get them away from the centerpiece so that you can see now it moves a lot more free. Okay, so that's how you do that part. And pretty much, the same thing. I mean, if you want to add little chain links to it, let's say you need a couple inches, you can just get a short little piece and add them in. And that's how the 415 chain tool works. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk with you guys later. Take care. Have a great day. Wow, a little tongue twisted. All right, see you guys. Have a good one.